Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a GoPro to Wi-Fi with Quik app setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your GoPro camera is charged and powered on. Download and install the Quik app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Quik app on your smartphone. On the main screen, tap on the Connect Your Camera option. Select your GoPro camera model from the list provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up a Wi-Fi connection. When prompted, press the mode button on your GoPro to enter the connecting mode. The camera will display a unique QR code on its screen. Back in the Quik app, select the option to scan the QR code. Use your smartphone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your GoPro. Once the code is scanned, the app will establish a connection with your camera. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the connection is successful. You may now access your GoPro's settings and features through the Quik app. To ensure a stable connection, keep your smartphone and GoPro within a reasonable distance from each other. You can now begin recording, capturing, or transferring footage directly from the Quik app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the app for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.